Yo, what's up? It's your boy EVsmokeATX. Back with a video here right quick. Finna do something again. Once I made another video about this before. The one thing I do hate about Teslas or heavy EVs. So follow with me right quick and see what I'm talking about. I got an appointment here at Discount Tires here. I have an appointment for some new tires for the back there. But the cool thing about it, one of them is taken care of, and one I have to take care of myself though. But so follow with me right quick. Come on, let's go. So this is the only thing I don't like about the EVs is those dang tires. So next summer we're gonna try something different. Do something with the suspension different. I got some new wheels coming for the summertime of 26. We'll see how that goes though. But yeah, I'm gonna try a different tire brand as well. But right now I'm running I'm still running the Falcon, just a different one. But I'm still running the Falcons though. But follow me as we go to the tire place right quick, so I can show you. Only thing that bad boy over here that got them special Michelins right there. You know, he do his thing though. He chilling though. He hibernating over here. That's a different story there. But yeah, like I said, I just keep it real, you know. So ride with me right quick as we go to the tire place with my appointment here. I'll be back. Peace. Alrighty, so we just made it up here at Discount Tires. Get these tires put on his bad boy. Go to service. Let's see, service, jack mode. Come on, there we go. So you always want to do that on your Model S's with the air ride suspension, Model X's, and so on and so on with the air ride suspension. But so yeah, we just made it here, like always. And like I said, this is the main thing that I hate to pay a visit at when they have to get new tires. And I'm gonna show you that once they get it out. Show you what I'm talking about. We'll be right back. Discount Tires, Round Rock, Texas. They always take care of me though. Peace. Alrighty, so they got me. Let's turn it around for a second. So they got me in the waiting list. Hopefully it won't be that long. They always get you in and get you out here, so I can't lie. I didn't want to get dropped off. I just want to kill a little time and, you know, talk a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna when they get the car up in there and get the tires took off, I'm gonna show you once again what I'm talking about. And I could have sworn I just put them tires on there, but hey, I ain't gonna lie. By this being a heavy car and it's a real drive performance, I got a heavy foot, so hey, I got a heavy foot, so stay tuned. We'll check it out, see what that's about. Just up there killing time at Discount Tires, waiting on the car, get done, and I'm gonna show you right quick here. So follow me right quick while I show you these tires. What I say I don't like about the EVs and what they do when you drive crazy. Alrighty, so I think they got the tire off right quick. So I'm gonna show right quick. I don't want to bother them too long, but I'm gonna show right quick why I say I hate the EVs. Because of the one reason why, because of these tires. Let's see. This is a tire right there. I just want to see for a second. I just want to see. This is the tire from the left. This one right here.
Yes, sir.
I just want to show. This is what I say is the problem I have. My heavy foot. See that? And I could have sworn I just put these on here not too long. They wear bad right there, but the new wheels for next summer, we're gonna do something different. See that right there? So that's what you gotta check for right there. So that'll sneak up on you. It's inside if you don't put the tires frequently. That'll sneak up on you that you go bad. That'll be a bad thing. So I'm gonna get some new ones on there. And all that right there. This is why I hate about the EVs. Like I said, that car is heavy.
45 or 42 in you?
Right now, 42 be good.
42,
all the way around. Appreciate it. yeah, that's why I say, my bad, I'm in your way, man, I'm in your way. That's why I say, we're gonna do some stuff. We got some stuff. I got some suspension upgrades actually for that. But I'm gonna wait till I put the wheels on there.
EV man, stop sleeping on them, man.
My guy, cool dude right there. So that's why, like I said, we're gonna do something to the camera and see for next summer. And I put the new wheels on there for summertime coming up. Other side cool. I'm just get some stuff switched around there though. But like I said, that is the. Let me turn this around. So yeah, like I say, that's the main thing I hate about the EVs is tires. But we're gonna try something different with the camera setup. You know, to redo that over as well, and I put the new wheels on there for next year, 2026 summer coming up. So stay tuned for that as well. I can admit, hey, I'll take that anytime. Then oil changes, transmission service here and there, this and that and that. Because I ain't gonna lie, I do have a heavy foot because I do be whipping it sometimes. You know, not all the time, but I do be whipping it all the time. And I do drive a lot out here in Texas. So, hey, any day I'll take that. So yeah, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna try something different with that camber there. We're gonna replace that with upgraded suspension when I put the new wheels on there for summer. Stay tuned for that. But like I said before, I would take that anytime though, tires versus all the maintenance and stuff I have to do when I have a typical ICE vehicle. Transmission service, oil changes, etc., you know. So hey, but when you attend to it right, it don't be that bad and you get it done. You know, that camera changed over. I'm gonna get more in depth with that. My guy, we're gonna have a video about that in depth as well, about dealing with the cameras on these heavy cars. But like I say, I have a heavy foot. I drive, you know, I do that sometimes because you can't help it sometimes because, you know, that power there, even though that's that rear wheel drive. But it's a heavy car, so it wears. But you got to be careful. You got to be careful and watch that because it'll sneak up on you if you don't check on your tires and so after so long and all that, or get them rotated. So, you know, I got a staggered on that car, meaning, you know, wide tires in the back, wider in the back, wide in the front, wider in the back. But with staggered, you know, you can't really do a rotation like a, you know, cross. So like I said, you gotta watch that because it will sneak up on you as well though. But hey, so they get me right here like they always do. Discount tires right here in Round Rock, Texas. The one in front of Target, which is the one I always go to. Shout out to all my guys there. They take care of me there. Carson and the gang and so on. But hey, we getting it going. Like, share, subscribe to the channel for more. Stay tuned. This is your boy EVsmoke. More to come. Subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Peace. Alright, so they got me ready here. Discount tire. They got me ready here. So I got the new 2 tires on the back. As you can see, they got the air suspension. Remember I said why I put it in jack mode? Because of the air ride, so it will keep going up. You see how it's right now, so I get in there and drive it, it's going to even out. So you see the back up real high and the front is down low. So just watch this. I'm gonna drive. I gotta run the Best Buy for a second, pick up some, and I'm gonna get out and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So stay tuned. All right, you just told me I'm looking good to go.
I appreciate it, Carson.
Appreciate y'all for always taking care of me, man. They always take care of me right here. Discount tires, Round Rock, Texas there. The one in front of Target. But like I said, you see what I said about the air ride? You see how it's up in the back, like in the front, because of the air ride. That's why it's important to put it in jack mode. Jack mode is very important. But so I got new rubber on the back. So I got the new rubber in the back there. So we're gonna get that fixed up for you. So I gotta run the Target, Best Buy right quick. Best Buy's behind here. So I'm putting the put it back in server mode and see how it is now. When I get back out, watch how it levels itself out by the time I make it around the corner. That's why it's important to do your air ride suspension. And then I need to go get this car cleaned up. I ain't gonna lie, I'm dirty. Service. So it's in jack mode now. I'll take it back on there. Take it out of jack. There we go. We out of jack mode. So the car should level itself out. So I ain't got my hold. I can't drive and hold the camera. So I'll be right back. All right. So I just made the Best Buy. Like I say, shit, I forget. Oh, discount is right there. Discount tire where I just left from over there. Came to Best Buy over here. Just drove it. Let's see if that was enough for it to level out. Like I said, I took it out of jack mode. Put it in normal mode, not lower. But see, hopefully you can tell through this camera here. I know the sun is glaring, but you see, it's leveled out now. See, just like that. It leveled out from the time I drove from over there at Discount Tires to the Best Buy. I gotta go ahead and pick up a couple things for the camera as well. Just wanted to make a quick video of that just to show that too and kind of like educate people on that. So you see how it leveled itself back out from that time, just that little short distance. So that's why it's important. Keep it in jack mode, service mode. Jack service mode. I'm running Best Buy and grab what I need to grab. You gotta watch out for that stuff in the inside of those tires on your car. So remember that, people. Have your tires inspected and checked and rotated properly and watch it. Like, share, subscribe. EV Smoke, peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.